What's up, guys? In this episode we are going to speak about power supply. The goal of this lesson to be a troubleshooting king. Okay, this is the ultimate way to deal with the power supply, as we have taken the ultimate way to master the multimeter. We are going to master the power supply just right now. So, short on board reading, click on the power key. If you get more than 2 ampere or the power supply is getting restart, it means that there is a short to the capacitor beside the IC. Okay, so if you click on the power key and you get 2 ampere or a restart in power supply, once you click on the power key, that means that there is a short beside the IC power. And as I told you guys, in all kind of this measuring, you don't need to understand. You just need to write it down and save them inside your memory and write them or somewhere on wall or wherever. Just let them in front of your eyes 24 hours, wherever you are going. Just you are saying this, okay? I don't need you to understand. Just save them. Boot without clicking on power key, you just get the phone is just boot without clicking on power key, which means that there is short on VBAT line, whatever it's Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, speaker, indirect short. Once you decrease the volt, it will stop direct short 0.0 on VBAT, which means, let me tell you, cut to the chase here. If the phone is got to power on without you even click on the power key, it means that there is a short on VBAT line. You are going to open the schematic and check where is directly the VBAT line in this, and go check by voltage one by one to know where exactly the voltage, where exactly the short is. Okay, pro note, use a multimeter on bus mode and you check the most component that surrounded the capacitor on VBAT line, or you can work on the bus mode. Okay, it's super duper easy, and I think that everything is going to be super clear here. IC power issue, okay, ampere less than 0.2, unstable load 0.2 and back to 0. Remove your finger on power key, it restart, directly went to 0. Okay, restart on Apple logo, power supply load 0 ampere, there is nothing more, 0 ampere. Short on power supply after clicking on power key. All of this are IC power issues. Okay, if you get all of this reading, that means that you have a real problem in the IC power itself. Okay, I think this is a clear as crystal. Okay, this is a clear as crystal, but you are going also to write all of this to not forget it. CPU issue, okay, ampere more than 2 ampere, then back to normal again, ampere more than 2 ampere, and LCD is working fine. Restart on first Apple logo, ampere so high after power click, it's a CPU or eMMC, so it check the capacitors around them. So how to know if it's a CPU issue or IC power issue or eMMC issue? You are just going to know this from a power circuit. You are just going to know all of this in a power circuit. I will tell you a way in power circuit episode to know directly which one to work on, because it's looking like same as IC power. They are looking like each other. They are looking like identical. Okay, eMMC and battery connector, ampere more than 0.10, then back to 0. Okay, then back to 0 again. eMMC or battery connector, ampere pointer vibrates so fast, then it's eMMC. 1.6, high usage of battery and phone heating, short on the VBAT line. So you just need to read this. Just read this and type it down. Just put the video and type it down. Okay, software, ampere will be less than 0.05, so it's a software problem. Okay, hanging on the second logo of Apple or any kind of any phone, it's a software problem, like a 90%. So hanging on the first logo, then the phone shut down, it's a CPU or IC problem. Okay, IC power problem. If it just pass the first logo and hang on the second logo and just close the phone, so it's a software problem here. Note, don't buy power supply less than 5 ampere, because we need to inject board to determine where is the short exactly. So never ever buy a 2 ampere power supply. Thanks for watching, guys.